Have you heard of Kickstarter? It's a platform where creative people can ask for funding to make their dreams a reality. Whether you're an artist, a writer, a filmmaker, or an entrepreneur, Kickstarter provides a space to share your vision with the world. Imagine you're passionate about cryptocurrency and want to write a book about it. You have all the knowledge and ideas, but you lack the resources to bring it to life. You need money for editing, design, and marketing. These costs can add up quickly, making it difficult to proceed without financial support. This is where Kickstarter comes in. It's a community-driven platform that allows you to reach out to people who share your passion and are willing to support your project. You can create a project page on Kickstarter explaining your book idea and setting a funding goal. This page is your chance to tell your story, share your vision, and connect with potential backers. Let's say you need $5,000. You set this as your funding goal and outline what the money will be used for. You offer rewards to backers based on their pledge amount. These rewards can range from a simple thank you note to exclusive content or merchandise. For example, a $20 pledge gets a digital copy of the book, giving backers a tangible piece of your project, while a $100 pledge gets a signed hardcover and their name in the acknowledgements. This not only incentivizes higher pledges, but also creates a personal connection with your supporters. People who believe in your project can pledge money. They become part of your journey, sharing in the excitement and anticipation of seeing your project come to life. If you reach your $5,000 goal by the deadline, Kickstarter collects the funds from backers and sends them to you. This ensures that you have the necessary resources to move forward. You can then start working on your book. With the funds in hand, you can hire editors, designers, and marketers to help you create a polished and professional final product. But if you don't reach your goal, nobody is charged and you don't receive any funds. This all-or-nothing model protects both creators and backers, ensuring that projects are fully funded before they proceed. Kickstarter acts as a trusted intermediary, connecting creators with potential supporters. It provides a platform for innovation and creativity, allowing new ideas to flourish. It's a fantastic way to fund creative projects and bring new ideas to life. From groundbreaking technology to artistic masterpieces, Kickstarter has helped countless creators achieve their dreams. However, there's a whole new world of possibilities beyond traditional crowdfunding, and it's called smart contracts. These digital agreements can automate funding and distribution, opening up even more opportunities for creators and backers alike. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the landscape of crowdfunding. Platforms like Kickstarter are just the beginning, paving the way for a future where creativity and innovation know no bounds. So whether you're looking to fund your next big idea or support someone else's vision, Kickstarter offers a world of possibilities. Dive in, explore, and be part of the creative revolution. Smart contracts are like digital agreements stored on a blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. They are automatically executed when predefined conditions are met, eliminating the need for manual intervention. These contracts operate without the need for a central platform like Kickstarter, revolutionizing how we handle transactions. Think of them as self-executing contracts written in computer code, which can be programmed to perform various tasks. Let's revisit your cryptocurrency book project to see how this works in practice. With a smart contract, you could code the entire funding process, making it seamless and efficient. You would set the funding goal, say $5,000, and the deadline directly into the contract, ensuring clear terms. Backers would then send cryptocurrency to the contract's address, contributing to the project in a secure manner. Here's where it gets interesting. The smart contract automates the entire process. If the funding goal is reached by the deadline, the contract automatically transfers the funds to your digital wallet, ensuring you receive the money promptly. If the goal isn't met, the contract automatically refunds the backers, providing a fair and transparent process for everyone involved. This eliminates the need for Kickstarter or any other intermediary, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. This is just a simple example of what smart contracts can do. In reality, smart contracts can be much more complex, capable of handling a wide range of transactions and agreements, from real estate deals to supply chain management. As technology advances, the potential applications of smart contracts are virtually limitless, promising to transform various industries by making processes more efficient, transparent, and secure. Imagine a future where smart contracts are a part of everyday life, automating tasks and ensuring trust in every transaction. The realm of smart contracts is not just a technological innovation, it's a step towards a more decentralized and fair world. Smart contracts operate on a simple principle. If this, then that. This fundamental concept is what makes them so powerful and versatile in various applications. They automatically execute predefined actions when specific conditions are met. This automation eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Let's explore some real-world examples to understand how this works. By examining these examples, we can see the potential and transformative power of smart contracts in different sectors. Imagine you want to trade cryptocurrency tokens. This is a common use case where smart contracts shine. A smart contract can facilitate this exchange without the need for a centralized exchange. This decentralization ensures that the process is transparent and secure. You would set the terms of the trade. For example, you send 1 Ethereum and the contract automatically sends you 5,000 of another token in return. This predefined agreement ensures that both parties fulfill their obligations. Smart contracts can also automate reward systems. This is particularly useful in scenarios where consistent and timely rewards are crucial. Let's say you're building a decentralized application, or dApp. Integrating smart contracts can significantly enhance the functionality and reliability of your dApp. You can use a smart contract to reward users with tokens for their contributions, such as providing feedback or completing tasks. This incentivizes user engagement and participation. The contract automatically tracks contributions and distributes rewards based on preset rules. This ensures fairness and transparency in the reward distribution process. Another practical example is insurance. The insurance industry can greatly benefit from the automation and transparency provided by smart contracts. Imagine a flight insurance policy governed by a smart contract. This can streamline the entire process, making it more efficient and user-friendly. The contract connects to real-time weather data. This integration allows the contract to make informed decisions based on current conditions. If your flight is delayed due to weather conditions, the contract automatically verifies the delay and immediately sends you the insurance payout. This eliminates the need for manual verification and speeds up the payout process. No need to file claims or wait for processing. The entire process is automated, ensuring that you receive your payout quickly and without hassle. This is just one example of how smart contracts can revolutionize traditional industries. Smart contracts offer several advantages over traditional agreements. 2 key benefits are their immutability and transparency. Immutability means that once a smart contract is deployed on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or tampered with. This makes them incredibly secure and reliable. The terms of the agreement are set in stone, ensuring that all parties involved can trust the outcome. Transparency is another crucial aspect. Smart contracts are stored on a public blockchain, meaning anyone can view the code and transaction history. This openness fosters accountability and eliminates the need for blind trust in intermediaries. These characteristics make smart contracts ideal for various applications where trust, security, and transparency are paramount.